Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are tired of rats and snakes disturbing your poultry farm, you are not alone. Today I'm sharing new and proven techniques I personally use to keep them away from my farm. So let's dive right in. So the number one question that we need to ask ourselves: why is it that snakes and rats are always around our poultry farms? Why rats and snakes are a big problem? Since you cannot live with snakes in your house and rats they can disturb, that is how you are going to protect your chicken from these dangerous snakes. Why rats and snakes are a big problem. Rats eat feed, chew through equipment, and can even attack young chicks. They can attack young chicks. Snakes. Snakes, they follow the rats and sometimes go after eggs and birds too. But I found effective ways to protect my farm. And that is why I want to share with you people this morning. So, let us start with rats. Here is what is working for me right now. What is working for me right now is crushed bay leaves. Bay leaves smell like food to rats, but they are toxic to them. I crush dry bay leaves and place them where rats are most active. Bay leaves are good for our chicken, so it doesn't cause any harm on our chicken. So you can safely use bay leaves as rat repellent strategy. So now we are going to look at another techniques on how to prevent snakes from coming to your poultry farm. Number one thing is I tried and block all the holes in my poultry farm. That's number one. To stop snakes, prevention is key. Another thing that I use is lime and salt barriers. I apply a mixture of lime and rock salt around the perimeter. Snakes hate it, so you can easily use it to scare snakes away from your farm. So another thing is to keep guinea fowl or geese. So you can use any of these two. Yes, they act like alarms and even scare off snakes naturally. So if you don't want to pass through other stress of other things that I earlier mentioned, even geese alone can take care of snake around your farm. So here are a few more tips, that's bonus tips, that help me keep pests away. Keep grass and weed trimmed. Don't give snakes a hiding place. Number two, always clean up spilled feed. It is an open invitation for rodents. Install another one is that You install raised platforms for chicken houses if possible. Thanks so much for watching. These new techniques have made a huge difference for me, and they can for you too. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and share with other farmers. Till I come your way next time. Bye.